young explorers. Are you eager to dive into the enchanting fusion of history, culture, and vibrant city life that Istanbul offers? Before you set out on your grand adventure, let us guide you through 3 days of unforgettable explorations in Istanbul. Stay with us till the very end as we reveal insider tips and hidden gems that will transform your journey into an extraordinary tale. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exhilarating travel stories and essential tips. Your unforgettable Istanbul adventure starts right here. How to get around Istanbul. Navigating Istanbul is an exhilarating journey through a city where East meets West. Opt for the Istanbul Cart, a versatile travel card offering affordable and convenient access to trams, buses, ferries, and the metro. A day's travel can cost around $5 unlocking the city's rich tapestry of cultures and experiences. Where to stay in Istanbul? For an immersive stay, consider the historic Sultanahmet district, brimming with architectural wonders, or the vibrant Beyoğlu for its artistic soul. Accommodations range from charming guest houses to luxurious hotels, with a mid-range option averaging $50 to $150 per night. City airport tips. Flying into Istanbul via Istanbul Airport or Sabiha Gökçen International Airport, you're stepping into a world of history and modernity. For a smooth start, check in at least 2 hours before your flight. The Havist bus service and private transfers offer quick, reliable routes to the heart of the city. Day 1. Journey through time and taste. A. Hagia Sophia. As dawn light bathes Istanbul, start your journey with the magnificent Hagia Sophia. This colossal structure, more than a millennium old, is a testament to Istanbul's layered history. Once you step inside, you'll be enveloped in an atmosphere steeped in history. Look up at the stunning dome, a marvel of ancient engineering, and feel the echo of centuries under your feet. Insider tip. Visit early to avoid crowds. The hush of the morning in Hagia Sophia, with sunlight filtering through its ancient windows, is a moment of pure magic. Breakfast at Sultanahmet Köfteci. Just a short walk from Hagia Sophia, Sultanahmet Köfteci awaits with its legendary Turkish breakfast. The warmth of the staff here makes you feel like a local. Don't forget to try their menemen, a traditional Turkish egg delight. It's a delightful burst of local flavors. Enjoy a hearty Turkish breakfast here for approximately $5 to $10. B. Blue Mosque. A mere stroll away lies the Blue Mosque, an icon of Istanbul's skyline. As you approach, the sight of its 6 slender minarets piercing the sky is breathtaking. Inside, the intricate blue tiles that give the mosque its name creates a serene ambiance, inviting reflection and awe. Traveler's anecdote. Standing in the vast prayer hall, surrounded by intricate patterns and soaring domes, you'll feel a sense of tranquility that's hard to find in the bustling streets outside. Afternoon. Bosphorus bliss and culinary delights. C. Bosphorus cruise. Board a ferry for the Bosphorus cruise, a journey that's as thrilling as it is scenic. Feel the breeze and watch as the shores of Europe and Asia glide by. The contrast of ancient palaces and modern mansions along the strait tells a story of a city forever evolving. This thrilling experience will cost about $15 to $20, a worthy investment for the memories and sights it offers. Lunch at Hamdi Restaurant. Perched near the Spice Bazaar, Hamdi Restaurant is an adventure for your taste buds. Savor dishes like the tender lamb kebab and the sweet syrupy baklava. The view of Golden Horn from your table adds a picturesque backdrop to your meal. The average cost of a meal is around $20 to $30. Insider tip. Ask for a table by the window for an enchanting view of the bustling waterway. D. Grand Bazaar. Post lunch, dive into the Grand Bazaar. This isn't just shopping, it's an exploration of a historic marketplace. From intricate carpets to handcrafted jewelry, the bazaar is a treasure trove of Turkish culture. Shopping secret. Haggling is part of the experience. Start at half the asking price and enjoy the playful banter with shopkeepers. Evening. Galata wonders and street buzz. E. Galata Tower. As the evening hues paint the sky, make your way to Galata Tower. Climbing to the top, you're rewarded with a 360-degree view of Istanbul that takes your breath away. Watch as the city lights begin to twinkle, a stunning contrast to the fading daylight. The view from Galata Tower is not just breathtaking, it's incredibly romantic, perfect for a memorable sunset selfie. The entry fee is around $6 USD. Dinner at Mez by Lemon Tree. In the heart of Beyoğlu, Mez by Lemon Tree offers a sophisticated yet cozy dining experience. Their mez platter is a symphony of flavors, perfect for sharing and sampling a bit of everything. The grilled octopus is a standout dish, tender and perfectly seasoned. Delightful dinner costs around 25 to 35 USD. F. Istiklal Street. End your day with a stroll down Istiklal Street. This vibrant avenue is alive with music, laughter, and the promise of unexpected discoveries. From quirky shops to street performers, Istiklal is the pulsing heart of Istanbul at night. Look out for the nostalgic tram that runs down the street. It's a charming throwback and a great photo opportunity. Day 2. Unveiling Istanbul's hidden gems. A. Istanbul Modern. Kick off your day in the vibrant district of Besiktas, home to the Istanbul Modern. This museum showcases cutting-edge art and offers an insightful look into Turkey's contemporary art scene. Admission is approximately $8 USD. The museum's collection includes not just paintings, but multimedia installations that reflect modern Turkey's dynamic spirit. Breakfast at Karabatak. Nearby, Karabatak serves up a bohemian breakfast vibe. For around $10 USD, enjoy a delightful spread of cheeses, olives, bread, and strong Turkish coffee in a quirky, artsy setting. The vintage decor and relaxed atmosphere make this cafe a favorite hangout for local artists and writers. B. Dolmabahce Palace. A short stroll from the cafe, Dolmabahce Palace stands as a symbol of Istanbul's imperial past. The entry fee, around $15 USD, grants you access to lavish rooms and manicured gardens. Imagine the sultans who once roamed these halls, hosting dignitaries and orchestrating the affairs of an empire. Afternoon. A journey through time and flavors. C. Ortaköy. Next, head to the charming neighborhood of Ortaköy. This area is a melting pot of cultures, evident in its architecture and lively street markets. Lunch at one of the waterfront restaurants here, like the famous House Cafe, where a delightful meal with a view of the Bosphorus costs around 20 USD. Don't leave without trying a kumpir, Ortaköy's famous stuffed baked potato, a delicious snack for around 5 USD. D. Topkapi Palace. Spend your afternoon at Topkapi Palace, the heart of the Ottoman Empire for nearly 400 years. Admission is approximately 12 USD. Explore the lavish courtyards, peek into the Sultan's harem, and view treasures from around the world. Insider secret. Check out the palace's imperial treasury for an up-close look at some of the most exquisite jewels you'll ever see. Evening. Asian side adventure and culinary exploration. E. Kadıköy. As evening falls, hop on a ferry to Kadıköy on Istanbul's Asian side, offering a different vibe from the European side. This district buzzes with energy, filled with bookstores, cafes, and bars. Dinner at Sia Sofrası, a local favorite, costs around 15 USD. Savor dishes that tell stories of Turkey's diverse regions. Try their mez and kebabs, each a burst of authentic regional flavors. F. Moda. End your night in the laid-back neighborhood of Moda. Stroll along the seaside promenade, where young locals gather to chat, play music, and enjoy the sea breeze. Grab a dessert at a local patisserie, a sweet treat for about 5 USD. Evening tip. Find a spot by the water and soak in the view of Istanbul's skyline shimmering across the Bosphorus. Day 3. Istanbul's grand finale. Morning in Eminönü. A. Spice Bazaar. Begin your final day in the historic Eminönü district, home to the vibrant Spice Bazaar. As you enter this covered market, let the aromatic scents of spices, herbs, and teas envelop you. Explore stalls bursting with color and discover exotic ingredients. It's free to wander, but you'll be tempted to purchase unique spices or Turkish delights, with small bags typically costing around 2 to 5 USD. Market tip: sample some Turkish delight or buy some saffron as an aromatic souvenir of your travels. Breakfast at Pendeli. Just above the Spice Bazaar, Pendeli offers a traditional Turkish breakfast in a setting filled with history. For about 15 USD, enjoy a sumptuous meal in a restaurant adorned with classic Iznik tiles, a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Try their menemen and su borgi, a perfect start to your day with a touch of Turkish authenticity. B. Süleymaniye Mosque. A short walk from the bazaar, Süleymaniye Mosque stands majestically, offering breathtaking views of the city. This architectural masterpiece, designed by the famous Ottoman architect Sinan, is a place of serene beauty. Free to enter, it's a must-visit for the harmonious design and peaceful ambiance. Afternoon, a cultural tapestry and gastronomic delights. C. Chora Church, Kariye Museum. Venture to the Chora Church, now the Kariye Museum. Located in the Edirne Kapı neighborhood, for about 10 USD, witness the stunning Byzantine mosaics and frescoes that adorn its interior, telling stories from the Christian tradition. Lunch at Asatani. Nearby, Asatani Restaurant specializes in historic Ottoman cuisine, offering a unique dining experience. For around 25 USD, taste dishes that were once served in the Sultan's palaces. A culinary journey through time, their lamb stew with apricots offers a delectable harmony of sweet and savory flavors. It's a must-try dish. D. Miniaturk. Spend your afternoon at Miniaturk, an open-air miniature park showcasing scaled-down versions of Turkey's famous landmarks. Entry costs about 5 USD. It's a fun and educational way to see the country's architectural heritage in miniature. Evening. Bosphorus farewell and vibrant nightlife. E. Bosphorus dinner cruise. For your final evening, indulge in a Bosphorus dinner cruise. Priced around 50 USD, this cruise combines delicious Turkish cuisine with stunning views of Istanbul by night. Enjoy live music and traditional dance performances as you sail between two continents. F. Beyoğlu. Return to the lively streets of Beyoğlu to experience Istanbul's nightlife. From chic bars to traditional taverns, there's something for every taste. End your night with a drink at a rooftop bar, with cocktails costing around 10 to 15 USD. Nightlife tip: check out the historic Çiçek Pasajı for a lively atmosphere and a taste of local raki, Turkey's famous anise-flavored spirit. Best time of year to visit Istanbul. The best time to visit Istanbul, Turkey, is during the spring and fall, specifically from April to May and September to November. These months offer the most pleasant weather conditions, mild temperatures, and less rainfall, making it ideal for exploring the city's outdoor attractions and historic sites comfortably. And that, dear travelers, marks the end of our captivating 3-day journey through Istanbul's rich tapestry of culture, history, and modern allure. We hope these insights elevate your experience in this mesmerizing city, where every corner tells a story. Remember, Istanbul is just the beginning. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for an endless stream of travel tips and thrilling adventures. Eager for more Turkish delights? Be sure to check out our other videos exploring the sun-kissed shores of Bodrum and the stunning vistas of Antalya. Each destination promises unique experiences and memories to cherish. Thank you for joining us, and happy travels! Your next adventure awaits, just one click away.